Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off the S Pen Quick Notes on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down, then in here tap on advanced features. Next, tap on S Pen. Then we scroll down and tap on Quick Notes. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on the S Pen Quick Notes. Now as I here, press and hold the pen button, then tap the screen twice on your S Pen to create a new note. So here, if I remove the S Pen and press on the pen button, so if I tap on the screen twice, you can see that will allow me to quickly create a new note. So that is the Quick Notes feature that you can turn on or switch off. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.